Okay, so emmet.optimizeStylesheetParsing. When set to false, the whole file is parsed to determine if current position is valid for expanding emmet abbreviations. When set to true, only the content around the current position in CSS, SCSS, and last files is parsed. Now, obviously, this is a performance optimization, and we understand what it's doing. However, there is no mention of this setting in VS Code's documentation, which means that I don't really know why this is even a setting that you can turn off. I mean, it's not an experimental setting, otherwise it would be written in the setting itself. So I don't really know what is the use case for setting this setting to false, but just keep it as true. And if you somehow run into problems, I guess you could post something on Stack Overflow or GitHub.